Ọhanaeze ndị Igbo ekene m unu biko ebe nọ na anụ unu masị m nọ ya dịla onye ọbụla na mma. Ihe a bụ vidiyo ndị otu Mathias Ezeaku ndị afọ n'anya ekwe. This is an online challenge biaga on with one pastor one. From my understanding, this pastor abụghị Nigerian. So along his online teaching, yana the guy we encounter we see okay. Seeing is believing that he doesn't believe that God exists. The man we see okay, or say that through the comment section that he will call out 2 or 3 people by himself. The man of God will talk to the guy, see okay. The guy will like a peek in here and break down before and then the full video. The guy will see okay. A man kiss the man down to a man cable, the man down to a man Nketo, the guy on BP rise, so the guy machine naka. So quite unfortunate for him, and a very good thing for him by the glory of God. We go see the machine at the camera. We see okay, the man we see okay. Run one with the live test, or run one with live test. Obona BP ya kilometer ya no about 1,700 and something by 200 and how makasi ago ya mahom. So mana but the guy pesizili ekpele see okay nya run kwa the same test again. Or running the same thing, the BP drop out to 124 by 80 something. Ejewazando to Mathias Asiana. Ese and cause you don't prove. Second one no proof. The third one kita will prove. What do you have to say about it? Otowali wish you the pastor happy birthday. Okay, accept the fact now. This may go that the result has been proven to you right in your very presence. People you handpicked by yourself from the comment section. In the presence of over 30,000 people watching. And PK mother, I don't really wish you a mother. Happy birthday, Njina Sono Bikona. Mehini ni ye me. Mola mana chukuno. Mola mana chuku wendo kaja lolo. Mola mana no wendo chuku katelo mano nisi. Kabiye no wana wano. Hapo kwande check up majule everywhere na chonde haya na lege welen keli me gumba. Hapo hanako ka wende bu. Original ndị ka na-anụ ihe chukwu sikpam ha anụ gị chukwu si na ihe anyị eme de wusi gị na ihe anyị eme ka ọ dịle gị na mma na ka isi ime ya. I'm on a confusion adigo in the land right now, but know it and know this and know it for free. I'm telling you this again. On when the chukwu katelo mmanụ nọ. So na end of this video uno fo ihe meno na this live session ine necha akabaro na follow this page na subscribe pan na this channel. Cordino was on the buy.
I said that I have been a Christian all of my life, but I no longer believe in religion.
Okay, now you're on the screen. Do you believe God exists? You are not an atheist.
I don't. No, I don't.
Oh, you don't believe that God exists?
It's a myth. It's a hearsay. They've been saying it for so many years. People get healed every day without prayers. People get healed every day without being a Christian.
Wait.
Our bodies are meant to heal themselves sometimes.
Okay.
So it is not there is nothing spectacular.
Wait.
Go ahead.
Do deaf people get healed just by being there? You know, when you give birth to a deaf son, he will be there one day, he will get healed and start hearing.
I've never seen a case like that before.
Thank you. Someone with a chest pain, 1, someone with a knee pain, 2, someone with a back pain. Choose one.
How do we verify they have this thing?
Yes, they will come, you question them. You will pick them. So I gave you 3 options. Choose one.
Chest pain.
Chest pain.
Are you talking? I have to be the one to pick?
If I pick, you will say that I planted the person there.
Wilson Tony. Let's say Wilson Tony. Mr. Wilson, what part of Nigeria are you in?
Abuja, but presently I'm in Kaduna State. I have chest pain even as I'm talking to you.
Last time you took your blood pressure, what were the numbers? What numbers did you get?
It was 184. It was 184.98.
Whatever he does, it's not going to be instant. We are not going to be able to measure your blood pressure and see that it's cured. I mean, pray for the guy. If you need to pray for the guy, pray for the guy, even though we can't measure anything. Pray for the guy. If you need to.
So if I pray for him and the pain goes, will it mean anything to you?
Yes, go ahead. I will become born again. I will become born again. I will become a Christian. I will become a pastor.
Holy Spirit, I command that blood pressure to calm down to normal now. Now I command the pain that is there, Lord, by your spirit, let the pain be absolutely gone. Do you feel the heaviness?
It's reduced.
Okay. Do you feel the pain? That thing that you said is piercing you like pain.
Wait, oh. I can't feel it. I can't feel it.
Wilson!
Even this morning, if I place my hand on my chest like this, I used to feel, even before I came up, sir, I was feeling the pain. But now, I can't feel it again.
What you are trying to tell me is that what has happened now means nothing to you.
How do we confirm?
He is saying that he's no longer feel the pain. Does that mean nothing to you?
I can't feel the pain. I can't.
You can't feel the pain now?
I can't feel the pain on my chest. I can't feel it.
Okay. All right. I'm glad.
I've been looking for it. I can't find it. I can't find it.
There is somebody here that is saying he's a medical doctor. Okay, you are a doctor. Now, with what you saw, what is your review of it?
Actually, I'm very much surprised at the miracle because, you see, it is not easy for someone's blood pressure to just drop, like chest pain to drop like that. Because even with the number he mentioned...
Was it the blood pressure that dropped? Was it...
Really,
see, now you are conflating. You are conflating issue. Blood pressure did not drop. We did not measure it. Blood pressure did not drop.
For someone's chest pain to drop, you see, because when you have a high blood pressure like that, it comes with other complications, and one of them is the chest pain.
So for him, chest pain is at a point. Chest pain is at a point where you're about to have a heart attack. It's not a constant, continuous chest pain.
I'm saying that it comes with severe complications, and it's one of the complications. Do you understand? Yeah. So for him to say that it is gone and he doesn't feel it, it is a very big miracle. And to me, I believe strongly that for him to say that the chest pain is gone, it clearly means that the pressure has dropped. So he can even go and check, and then we will all know if what he's saying is true or not. Yeah.
You can't say that. We did not measure him before. We did not measure his blood pressure. You can't say
the pain in his chest is as a result of the pressure that is high.
Yes.
So it means that if the pressure goes down, then the pain can go.
Exactly.
It's just a simple.
So you are saying, doctor?
Yes,
I'm taking it. You say you are a doctor. You are saying his blood pressure is down because the chest pain is gone without test.
It is very possible that it is gone.
So now you are saying it's possible.
Exactly.
See, you are changing it.
It is highly
you are
possible.
changing it now.
Listen,
you are saying it's possible.
Listen, I'm not changing it. It is highly possible it's gone. Of course,
It's highly.
Listen, I'm coming. TikTok, I'm coming. Me following this conversation, I know you to be somebody who only deals with proofs, and I understand that. That is why I'm telling you.
You should be the kind of person that deals with proofs. Okay. So you say you have fibroid?
Yes, sir.
How long have you had that?
For quite some time now, only for me to go to the hospital this year, and the doctor told me I have fibroids, 2 big ones and small ones.
Whatever happens with this prayer, right? Even if you are healed, it's not going to be instant.
So that is okay. So that is the tool you are holding there.
Yes, sir.
Now lift up your 2 hands. Father, I thank you. I command those fibroid stones to disappear. Press it and tell me if that side is still hard.
No.
The lady held the 2 stones. We all saw her holding it. We saw her. The stomach was so hard, she wasn't even pressing it like this. Now she is pressing the stomach. She's looking for the stones. You know what fibroids are? They are stones in the stomach. She is not finding the stones.
Are you saying that by faith, or are you saying that by faith?
Now, as I speak to you, when I was touching it, it was hard. Now it is soft.
Listen, you don't test fibroid by touching your stomach. Stop looking for clips. You are not curing fibroid by doing this. There is no way for us to test fibroid. We don't have that tool right now, right? We couldn't test you before he prayed for you, and we can't test you after.
Do you have a blood pressure? Show me the screen of the machine to be sure that it's not something you have pre-recorded. Okay, so there's nothing on the screen. Okay, now do your first test and let's see. 170 over what? 170 over 89. Father, I thank you. I give you glory. And I command the pressure to come down. Okay, do the next one. Let's see how it is. Now it's 124.82. Now, what do you say about this one? After testing, it came to 124.82. So what do you have to say about this? You don't have enough evidence. This one too. TikTok.
Sir.
You don't have enough evidence for this one too. Get him out! This is all pretense. We all know you are not watching that match. TikTok. Now you see you can't talk. The way you were talking in the beginning.
Hey! Happy birthday. Happy birthday in advance.
Forget about the birthday. I don't need no birthday wishes. Let's talk about what we were talking about.
Why?
To comment on what happened. The machine has now spoken. Now comment. Why are you speechless?
What?
Why are you speechless?
I didn't even say, what do you want me to comment on?
You could be so soft. I never knew you could be so soft.
What do you want me to comment on?
The first one, you said there is no proof. The second one, you said there is no proof. Now there is a third one, which a machine has spoken. Now you can't talk again.
Let me give you a trophy. You want a trophy? Or what do you need?
No trophy. I just
what do you want from me?
Comment. Say, admit that you were wrong.
I wasn't wrong, but happy birthday.